Yo, what's up, YouTube? So, t well, this whole week, I blew my entire account. I was at, well, 2 weeks ago. So, in the span of 2 weeks, I blew my account. Beginner trader is just what it is. This is like my fourth time blowing an account. I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, I would get the account up to like 3,000 and then blow it the whole way back down to 500. I did that like 3 times. And this is my fourth time. So back down to 500. So I was planning, I should have made the video yesterday. It was like $500 account challenge. Because I did it before. This is when I first started trading options. I took $500 and made it 3,000. Then 2 weeks later, lost it all. Basically, I was just betting and like not understanding. It was basically luck. Like I made 900, and I would put all, like I have 500 bucks in a trade, and I would put 500 bucks. I mean, I have 500 bucks in my account, and I would put 500 bucks into the trade, make 250, right? And this was literally a couple seconds. Like I didn't know what the heck I was doing. But now, a year later, right? I'm pretty sure I know a little bit more. And with a small account, if you really want to grow a small account, you have to make big trades, and they have to be good trades. But you have to put your money in with tight stop losses. This is what I didn't do before, so I made it up to 3,000, and then next week lost it all because I never use stop losses or anything. Now I'm able to use like mental stop losses. Apparently I couldn't do that last week because I blew my entire account. It's whatever. So I was back down to 500. It was actually like 400 something. Uh, I don't have a screenshot of it, but I mean, as you can see, today I made $212, right? 216. Yeah, $216 right here. Traded SPY puts. As you can see, I bought four. Oh no, this yeah, I bought three. I thought I bought four though. Must have sold one very early. But I bought 82, 74, 76. And oh yeah, I bought two. Yeah, I bought two puts at 82, and then I scaled in, bought one more at 74, and bought one more at 76. And so this is literally like 200 bucks, almost 300 bucks into this trade. I was risking it all, because that's what you gotta do. In order to, if you really want to grow a big account, I mean a small account to big, that's just what you gotta do. So I made 216 bucks today. Good trade, amazing, scaled in perfectly, and now I'm at 722. So if you subtracted it, it would be around like 400 something. So even though I don't got a screenshot of it at 500, because I don't know, just never took a screenshot of it. I just thought about the video today. So technically I was at 500. As you can see, unsettled cash 530. Um, so I'll go over the trade that I took today, why I took it. Here's the 5 minute chart of SPY. I bought puts, and I did it a little bit differently than how I usually trade, because trading is all about psychology. And last week I made a good trade, and I didn't hold it, and I could have made like 1,000, but instead made 200, which sucked because I had four contracts and they went to $300 each, and I sold it at like 200. I was like, bruh. But so I've been trying to just hold on to my trades more. So let's zoom into this 5 minute chart right here. This is where I bought, on this green candle, I bought a put. I bought two puts. And when it got up to this red line, I bought one more. And then it came down and went back up. And when it got back up to the red line again, I bought one more. So this candle was green. So it was like, I was like, oh crap, made a bad trade. I'm gonna lose everything again. But I was just risking it all. Had stop loss above this the high of day. Because this red line right here, major resistance. I mean, it couldn't get past over here. It keeps blocking down. And if you go back to like February of last year, it wasn't able to break through that either. So last time it touched this, other than 2 days ago, was February last year. So I was like, this has resistance. And if you look on the daily chart, let's see if I can pull up the daily chart. If you look up the daily chart, this might be a possible like swing trade. I just wanted to see how today would work out. But it looks like an ascending wedge is forming. Like if you put a line right here, trend line, it touches right here, drops, touches right here, drops, and it's just getting tighter and tighter. Meaning the bulls are buying right here and they're buying higher and they can't break through. Even like they buy down here, can't break through. They buy higher, can't break through. And if you think about it, if you are a bull, you want to buy at a lower price. So now these bulls are forced to buy at a higher price and keep getting rejected. So I was like, this might possibly be an ascending wedge, and it might drop for a possible swing trade. I was thinking about it, but you know, I only got 500 bucks. I don't got the capital to do it, so I just took a nice day trade. I'm actually very proud of my day trade today. 216 bucks is pretty good. So now my account is at 722, and I'm gonna risk it all tomorrow too. See how it goes. So this is where I bought, and I sold one at this green line. I sold another at this candle right here, right below this low, and I accidentally sold another one at this blue because I was just gonna hold it. This blue is the close of yesterday, and this green is the high of yesterday, and this red is the low of yesterday. They automatically update every single day. So I sold one at the green. It bounced off, but I sold already. And I sold another one at the green because it had a bunch of resistance. So I was like, you know, just take profit. So I had two more left. I accidentally sold one here. So when that happened, I was like, you know, and this is very strong. So I was like, I set a stop loss or a take profit technically. I set a take profit at 200. So I said like, if this contract goes to 200, sell. And it was at like 130. And 200 mark was like around here. And then I just left. I went, ate some breakfast, did whatever, and then I just heard the computer go ding. I was like, shit, making money. Literally just making money without doing nothing. Eating breakfast, making money. That's what I'm doing. I'm a pro. You already know. Um, so I'm trying to trade differently. I realized after a year and after 4 accounts blown that trading is really all about psychology. And I know it always sounds dumb to me because I always thought I was a strong-minded person, and I was like, you know, I can control my emotions, but apparently not when it comes to trading. Apparently not. I suck. But so that's what I'm really trying to focus on, getting my mind in the like right mindset, I guess. And I started meditating and working out, eating healthier, dopamine detox. You know, self improvement. I'm going through a self improvement phase right now. I'm going all in, but because I feel like my mind needs to be strong in order to trade. I feel like this is the best way to make my mind strong, like going through a dopamine detox and actually getting fit and working out, eating healthy. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm just trying to be very patient, wait for A plus setups. Before I was trying to trade every single bar, I'm like, oh, messing up. So this is take 5. After 3 accounts blown, take 4 accounts blown, take 5, back at 500. Let's see where this goes. I'm probably gonna lose it all tomorrow, but it is what it is. All right. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.